YouTube, this is a quick video. Just want to show you guys, you know, the aftermath, the storm that we just went through last night. You know, so we was on the outer bands, Hurricane Helene, yeah. You know, so we didn't get a direct impact, but seriously, guys, the wind from that storm felt like was real serious. You know, we lost power about 6 times during the night. That's for like the longest it was about 6-7 minutes, I think. You know, but the good thing, I have my solar generator for that. 6-7 minutes just to turn on like the TV and stuff to watch the news and see what was happening. Yeah, but one of the casualty from the storm is the banana here, which I kind of had a feeling probably gonna actually snap right in the middle, and this snapped really early in the day. Yeah. So you could see the wind here was just tossing stuff around. Look at the lemongrass. So the direction change. I have to go brace that back over. Yep. Come through here and see what this is over here. Yeah, this banana. Okay, guys. Let's push over. It probably would have completely fall. Like this younger banana kind of hold it. Yeah, see right here. And this was a big rack too, so this is fine. And the mango tree kind of hold it. So the mango tree bracing over to the side. Yeah, from that too. Yeah, so I guess it's just gonna make it become easier to harvest. Yeah, but not much I could do with this right here. Yeah, let's walk on the other side. Yeah. So yeah. No, the roselles all get pushed over. Yeah, which that happens regular with other. That's a regular storm. Yeah. Yep. Roselle here again. All pushed over. Yeah. Go through the garden and kind of straighten stuff up in a few minutes. But I wanted to just walk through. I didn't. This is my first time out here this morning. This need. I forgot to brace this branch up off the mango. Yeah, I gotta go brace these stuff up. Yeah, guys. The wind was like, even you could just look at the way the sugar apple is bending over. The wind was just pushing everything on this side, like real. Was tough to. Look at the little okra, all broken up. Snap, leaf snap. Yeah, papaya leaf snap right here. Yeah, okay, the damage not too bad. Yeah, a few things I gotta do, but that was expected. My trellis completely fell over. Yeah, I could brace that up. Avocado still up. Look, all my cassava is down. Everything is down here. Gotta brace these stuff up. Yeah, good. More cassava here. Down. This thing is down. But damage not too bad. The bananas here are fine. Back here, which I'm happy about. So not everything fell over. Yeah, see, look, there's still a big nice rack over here. But this is a trellis with we bought this and the yam on it, so it was quite heavy. So that was kind of expected. Banana, you see all the leaves pointing to that direction. You know, the wind was real heavy. Yeah. Yeah, we need some wind to come back from the other direction and straighten everything up. Yeah, alright, the chickens are alright. Alright, let's walk through here. Yeah, the roselle all got bent over. Let's walk through this side. Yeah, right here. I'm just gonna straighten these up. There's a red one here. Where is it? Oh, it got bent to the other side. Okay. Alright, let's see. Everything. The wind did a number on a lot of the plants. Yeah. It could have been worse though. When the cassava lying onto the side. Wind. But these didn't break. I could just straighten them back up. Okay. Not too bad here. Alright. It's on the back. Yeah. Mango here. Okay. Okay. It's something to brace that up. A lot of stuff, I have some, like when I prune the food forest, I have branches that I save, like these big ones, for use for that purpose, to brace stuff, keep stuff up. Yeah. This roselle is down. Down. Okay. Keep that up. Wow. Oh, cassava is completely down right here. Look at this. It's completely down. It's broke. Let's see. Yeah, it broke. Yeah, it broke from down here. Yeah. So this cassava is down. Down. Yeah. This cassava is down completely. Alright. Look, I lost a lot of ackee. Oh man, look here. Man, all the ackee fell off. Wind took everything off. Oh man. Yeah. Guys. Ackee off completely. Look at. Oh man. Wow. Can't do nothing with those. Let's go right in the garbage. Wow. Okay, guys. Everything is down here. Right. It's the tree. My guava tree is down. The birds back here, they're just chilling. Yeah. Yeah, but look, the guava tree is totally down. Yeah. Wow. I almost uprooted. Cassava. Yeah, the winds was heavy, guys. But the whole cassava is down completely. Probably just gotta harvest that. Yep. Completely down. Yeah, so we got a few damages, stuff that we could deal with. Yeah, but look at the amount of ackee that we lost off the tree. Oh my goodness. Let me get them up. A lot. Can't do nothing with these, they're not good. Remember, the ackee gotta be open in order for. Okay, guys. This is just this and this side. Yeah. All these branches, these are fine. I could push this back up. See? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I come back and push all those stuff up. Yeah. Yeah. This is it. Bunch of ackee. We lost. Oh, this is going to garbage. It's so funny. I just made that Aki video for all the Aki we have, and look at the loss. Yeah, but that's mother nature. Not much you could do. Hey guys, lost a lot. Not cool. Not cool at all. More. Let's see. Yeah, look at all Aki that's gone to waste. Yeah, guys, so and up there was packed with Aki. Yeah, and I feel like a stragglers leave now from all of this. All this fell off. So all this gotta go straight to the garbage. Yeah. One more here. Okay. Okay, guys. All no good at all. Yeah, but we have two down. We have a down tree right here. Another one there. So I'm putting the camera down, and we have some work to get done here in the food forest. Yeah, so that's it really. You know, young papaya leaves broke off. It's, you know, that's part of the flow with nature too. It's gonna break stuff and this nature chop and drop. Yeah, but losing the Aki, all this Aki is a shame. And it's sad, but as I said, nature. What are you gonna do? Yeah, and the birds, they're just chilling. Yeah, sandhill cranes, beautiful. And chaya, not chaya though, it get beat up from the wind. Yeah, so we have a few things to, you know, push up. I said I've a lot of sticks and branches I use to, after pruning, and normally keep them for this purpose. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and show you how everything actually looks after doing this stuff. Alright guys, so it's a quick video to show you guys how the food forest looks. It looks good. There's a few damages. Yeah, there's a few damages. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys all out there safe. All be blessed with peace, love, happiness. Yeah. Kindness. One love, guys. See you guys in the next video. Yeah, I got some work to do right here. Alright. See you guys.